Welcome back. Software application Zapier connects cloud-based applications without a formal integration. And what you'll need to do is to connect both applications to Zapier, and Zapier will then allow you to use those two applications together. Zapier, in terms of its pricing, has a free plan so that you can determine if the integration is going to work with the two applications that you're using. In some cases, you may have to move up to a paid program in order to use some of those integrations. Now, for the sake of this example, we are going to log into Zapier so that we can connect our shopping cart system and our course platform. So once we find our applications and whether they exist inside of Zapier, we can check the parameters to see if there is an available connection to make. And we can see that connection that when we have a product purchase in our shopping cart system, that we can enroll a user in our course platform. Now, if you have two different applications, you're going to need to test those applications within Zapier to determine if the connection works. Now, we'll still need to go one step further to determine if this connection is actually going to be effective in doing what we want it to do. So we're going to start with try it. Now, we've connected our ThriveCart account to our Zapier account, so what we're going to do is check to see if our product is going to be available. Now, product is available, so we're going to go to the next step. We're now going to test the trigger within Zapier. We're going to select Thinkific as the application and then add our account. We're going to check our products from within our Thinkific account using Zapier, and our product exists. Now, Zapier requires us to do a mapping process, and we can see the required fields that we need to map for this process to take place. Once we've mapped the process, we're then going to click Continue. We'll then test the process. And once you complete the process, you can turn on the Zap, and you will have then connected your two applications so that, in this case, what we've done is we've made it so that when we have a purchase in our shopping cart, that purchase will also lead to the individual being added to our course in our course platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.